everybody, happy spring. We are so excited today because we have the easiest kids craft for you. I don't know about y'all, but we love to decorate with bright colors and we love to use our own artwork to decorate our home. So today we're going to be making a really cute and really easy butterfly out of handprints. So if you have some paper, just some printer paper, some pretty colorful paint of your favorite colors, and some hands that you're willing to get dirty, you can do this project. So I'm Brooke with Re-Fabbed, and I've got my little sidekick with me today.
Eden with Re-Fabbed.
She is my 8-year-old, and we're gonna have a lot of fun making this art together for you. So Eden has picked her favorite colors, and this is what we're gonna use on our butterfly today. So let's get started. Which 2 colors do you want to start with, and I will paint your hands?
My top 2 favorite colors, the light teal and
the dark teal? Okay.
No, and the yellow.
Oh, sorry. Well, we're doing light teal and dark teal. So we're going to get plenty of paint. Okay, open your hands up a little bit. Okay, we're going to get plenty of paint. That's the key. You want it to stick. Plenty of paint, but not so much that it just cakes on there. So we're going to get plenty of each color on each hand. Okay, there's that one. Now we're going to go ahead and just kind of get our paint off of our brush here. And then we're going to go ahead and be still with it. Then we're going to go ahead and do the light. This is mine and Eden's favorite color right here, isn't it?
Yeah.
We love this color.
Loved it since I was born.
Hold your hands still. We're trying to be quick, y'all. So, I don't know about y'all, but my kiddos love getting their hands painted and doing stuff like this. So, for all the time that you're having to spend indoors right now, this is a perfect project for you and your kiddos. So, now we're going to just hold those hands together, and we are going to put them, you need to put your fingers a little bit more together, and we're going to press them down to make our butterfly, the top wings. And I'm going to just press them down really hard like this because we want to make sure that paint gets on there. And then I'm going to hold the paper down while she lifts her hands. Awesome. Okay, so this is what we have so far. We're going to go ahead and flip it like this so that we can do her other hands. So after we did our first set of handprints, we went ahead and washed Eden's hands and got them painted up for the next bit. Now we're going to do the top part. Same exact thing you did. Put them together just a little. Lay them down. Same process.
Smush 'em.
Now lift them. Yes!
That's
beautiful!
perfect.
Beautiful! Okay, now we're going to let it dry for just a minute, get her hands washed, and then I'm going to show you how to do the middle part of our butterfly. It's going to be super cute. Okay, so now we're going to do the body. All you got to do is make a circle, whatever size you want, not too big, not too small, and then fill that in with your black paint. You're just doing this all black. And then you take from the middle of the circle, you just kind of go down and make a bunch of squigglies all the way to the bottom, past the bottom part of the hand. And you just squiggle down till you get all that filled out. I know that's really technical, but that's really all you do is make some fun squigglies as you go down. It is not hard at all. It's supposed to be whimsical and fun, so don't get too worked up over this. So now we're going to do our antennas. All you do is start at your circle and then draw 2 squiggly lines. It's really that easy. Then we're going to go ahead and do a black dot on the end of each antenna. Just a little old whimsy circle here. And we will be done. The only thing left to do is just add 2 little dots for the eye and you are done. Put that sucker in a frame and hang it in your house and enjoy it for years to come to remember those sweet little kiddos' handprints. And to find more inspiration and more DIYs, just visit refabbed.com. That's re-fabbed.com and check out the full blog post for this and a lot of other fun inspiration. Thanks so much for joining us.